Hey, John Morehouse here. Today I'd like to talk about Corvettes, Chevy Corvettes that is, and the later models leaving the factory with a track setting for going around a track. And what this does, as you can see in A, is the tires are set for the track going around the turns. So having them tilted in a bit, what happens is that it gets better handling around each turn you go around, left and right turns. The cars come from the factory set that way. You're talking about wearing your tires significantly on a third in of the tire, actually distorting the tire from riding around like that and normal wear and tear around the streets. What you should do is have the car realigned for normal driving, which is better for handling on flat pavement in the streets, normal driving, better in the rain, and better in drag racing because you're getting 100% downforce on the entire tire. And you'll see that in B. A lot of people don't realize this, but I didn't know myself until I took my Grand Sport to get it inspected, and within less than 10,000 miles, the inside of the tires were like gone. The rest of the tire looked like it was brand new. And you're talking about a big expense on these tires. How many of us go to the track? Not that many. But many of us drive around on regular pavement and occasionally drag race. You know, we get on the car. You want to go to a B where you get 100% wear of the tire, 100% traction from the tire, because when that car digs and squats when you get on it, only a third of the tire in A is what you're getting now, really. And what you really want is B. I don't know how else to put it. There is a big difference. And even if you go with it set to be normal wear and tear and you decide to go to the track, it's not a big deal. Give me a break when I have fucking professional drivers. In any case, I hope this is of help to you. It definitely shined a light on me. And I had my tires all set back to normal so I can get a little more wear and tear out of these tires. But you all have fun with that car and have a good day.